guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a shoe rack that's like a adjustable shoe rack, and it's like very convenient, so you can put it in your closet and put it anywhere. Because in my closet is like very small, so I find like very difficult to organize my shoe. That's why I found it in Amazon, and it's like a Amazon choice product, and they have like really great review. So it's a like 50 pair shoe rack, and it's a 10 tire shoe rack. So let's open it and see how it looks and how it works. So in case you guys are looking for a shoe rack for your closet, for like a easily assemble closet, then definitely this one will help you. So these are the stuff I got. Here is the manual. So these are the things I got. Just I have to put this one.
What color is this? Green. That's right.
So this way you can make the seats like this. Another one. Also. guys, you can see this is the shoe rack. So guys, you can see the shoe rack. Oh wow, it's pretty tall. So you can see my door, and this is pretty tall, 10. See, these are some of my shoes just for demonstrate. We can see, yeah, it's like a pretty good. Like even it contains like more shoe. Yeah, I think it's perfect for me. In the first track, I'm planning to put all these like tall boots, then the palms, then all these like strappy sandals, then mules, then booties, all these sandals, then loafers and slip and sneaker, then sneaker, and in the bottom rack I'm planning to put all these like sandals, like normal regular sandals I will put, or some sandals like this way. So this way I'm planning to organize my rack. So it's not like a very, I can say it's like a very good quality. I mean it's made it, these are like a fabric, but pretty much it like they're doing its job. I mean for the temporary solution of storing your shoe, it's like a really great option. I mean it's okay. I mean you don't have to think if you don't want to invest like a lot of money on a good shoe rack, then definitely this one is the best option, because I think it's only $30, but as per the price it's like a easy to assemble, and yeah, it contains almost like 50 pair of shoes, so it's a good one. So I really like it. So in case you guys are looking for this shoe rack, definitely you can check it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description box so you can check there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.